Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a morning Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Euro versus US dollar. It's moving to new session highs. The durable goods orders in the US came in better than expected. It looks like across the board, shipments also increasing, inventories increasing, capital goods orders increasing, all those sort of things. So it was a good number, but the euro versus US dollar is moving to the upside. The dollar getting weaker here. Go figure. But anyway, technically for this currency pair, what sticks out to me is a move back above the 100 and 200 hour moving averages. And trading yesterday, the price of the euro really traded in a very narrow trading range. I think it was 33 pips for the entire day. That's well below the 72 pip average of the last month. And the price did move briefly above the 200-hour moving average at the start of the New York session, but could not sustain that momentum. And then the last 4 or 5 hours was like in a 12-pip trading range, and the price sort of settled into the close in the early Asian session here today. The price tried to move lower, could not get below the New York session low, and the price started its rotation back to the upside. That move to the upside got above the 200-hour moving average and briefly above the 100-hour moving average here, but then rotated back to the downside. It looked like we're failing and we're going to head lower, but no, the price rebounded back to the upside in the European session, and this was a kind of the clue print right here where the price came down, fell below the 100, but held support against the 200-hour moving average, and is starting to see a rotations back to the upside. Perhaps that is leading the way, given the buyers that go ahead to push to the upside, regardless of what things like the durable goods orders numbers are saying. And what we look at the chart here, we're into a swing area between 1.09618 and 1.09728. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart here because it does have an impact going back in time. Looking at that this swing area right through here, we can see there were a number of different levels in through here where the price either found support or resistance in trading going back in time. Here, support, a lot of support area through these couple weeks through here. We fell below that level and then reestablished support right through here, fell down to the 200 bar moving average and then broke to the downside. And trading 2 weeks ago, the price came up to that swing area once again and then found support here before moving to the upside and then found resistance last week here, moving to the downside. So we are back into this swing area here up to 1.09728, and getting above that level would open the door for a run toward the high price that we saw going back to in May right through here. And also the high price that we saw in last week's trading extended just above that level, 110.06 up to 110.11 before rotating to the downside and falling down to this swing area right through here. So the buyers are making a play here in the euro versus US dollar, indicated by the increase price moving above the 100 and 200 hour moving averages and moving up to this swing area right here. Get above that level opens the door for further upside. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.